Hello everyone, a great chance for scholarship STEM Teacher Certificate Scholarship Empowering Women Educators Program. This only for women. So if you are a man, don't apply for this contest. So here the email which I received from Idea Gym, and this is the subject STEM teacher, the title of this video, and this classroom read skills in STEM, coding, AI, digital media, and entrepreneurship. So this is the link, and the deadline is December 11th, 2025. You can send them email through this email if you need any confirmation or any questions. Here, when press this link for applying, you need from 10 to 15 minutes to complete this application. And eligibility requirements: female applicant, priority for Egyptian public community school teachers, background in education pedagogy or teaching related field, one of the following groups: currently working in a teacher in public or private or community school, previously worked as a teacher and want to return to service, previously worked as a teacher and want to return to service, fresh graduate from faculty of education, STEM program or any teaching related program, basic computer literacy, email browsing, simple apps, strong commitment to completing the full program training and mentoring. This training for only 12 weeks, just 3 months. You have to attend 80% of the training sessions to complete, and you need to prepare for a project at the end, like the capstone project. You will fill your name, national ID, birth date, phone number, email, government, and next. Maybe they ask you for one essay or some problem you solved in your real life, challenge you faced, and how you faced. If you have any question, ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible with you, engineer indicator Osama Ghandour. Thanks for watching the video.